Welcome to Crypto News. My name is Hank, your new host. I'm here to keep you updated with the latest and the hottest news in the crypto market. If you're into crypto and want to make the most from this market, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So, let's begin. The FTX $600 million hack doesn't seem to stop as the exploiters start converting thousands of stolen Ether into Rand Bitcoin early on Sunday. According to CoinDesk, the hacker moved over 5,000 Ether to a new wallet. An additional 35,000 Ether was then moved to that wallet over 3 separate transactions. After that, they started converting Ether to Rand Bitcoin using the DEX aggregator 1inch. Interestingly, the development team of Rand Bitcoin was set to move to Alameda Research back in 2021 to work on expanding the usage of Rand Bitcoin. Alameda and its related firms FTX have filed for bankruptcy recently, causing a disaster across the blockchain industry. Moreover, PeckShield cited that the exploiter then used the Rand bridge to transfer out thousands of Rand BTC before an attempt to cash out. Rand bridge, well known for high privacy, might have been used to launder a fund of at least $540 million previously, with funds stolen from the FTX steadily converted to Ether over the past week. The exploiter is considered one of the largest holders of the token. Here's another shocking revelation following the FTX scandal. Wall Street Journal recently reported that FTX Sam Bankman-Fried cashed out $300 million during a funding spree. Last year, Sam told investors that the share sale was partial reimbursement of money he had spent to buy out rival Binance stake. However, $300 million went into Sam's pocket instead. Sam's suspicious cash out was large by startup world standards, where such sales historically were taboo because they allow founders to reap profits before the investor. It is unclear what Sam did with the $300 million and whether the money was plowed back into FTX or kept separate. According to FTX 2021 audited financial statements, the money was retained by the company for operational expediency on behalf of the related party. There's no doubt that the crash of FTX has resulted in the shackle of government spirit to police crypto assets. According to Channel News Asia, Singapore may want to go big on the tremendous potential of the digital assets, but it is not open to crypto speculation at all, Deputy Prime Minister Lawrence Wong said on Thursday. He also added that Singapore needs to take a strong stand against crypto speculation and trading, especially by retail investors. In contrast, Russia, commonly known as an anti-crypto regime, has turned friendly with cryptocurrency with its new bill. A new bill was introduced in the lower house of the Federal Assembly of Russia, also known as the State Duma, which seeks to legalize the crypto mining operations and sale of mined cryptocurrency on overseas platforms. If passed, the bill will allow miners to sell cryptocurrencies on foreign platforms by preventing the pain of currency regulation or under the tightened rules within Russia's experimental sale regime. However, regardless of which option miners choose, all the transactions in both cases must be reported to the Federal Tax Service. Amid tremendous depressions of the crypto market, SNM, a so-called dead shitcoin, surged by 4,000% in price. SNM, an altcoin, which had only previously traded above $1 on April 30, 2021, went up by more than 4,000% to $6.7, a new all-time high on November 20, according to CoinGecko.com data. In just under 24 hours, SNM trade volumes has surged from just over $1.2 million on November 19 at 4 a.m. to over $720 million by 8 p.m. Before altcoin latest price and traded volume surge, SNM, which debuted with an initial coin offering price of $0.16 in 2017. However, some users speculated that the altcoin's activity could indicate that a pump and dump scheme was underway. Chinese crypto journalist Colin Wu tweeted, "Not sure if it is a contra trading involving stolen coins or lack of liquidity due to the withdrawal of market makers." Another user, and Ryu San argue that the altcoin's sudden price and traded volume surge could be an indication that an identified group had chosen to use SNM for pump and dump purposes. As blockchain projects become more mature, the areas and needs involved increase. In a November 10 press release, FIFA confirmed the launching of 4 blockchain-powered games. The announcement comes just a few weeks before the World Cup in Qatar starts. The first game is AI League, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 edition, developed by Altered State Machine, which is a 4-on-4 casual football game played between AI-controlled characters, with player input at fun and tactical moments. The second is FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 in Upland Metaverse, which is a collaboration with Upland Me. Upland is a blockchain-based metaverse where players buy and sell virtual properties. The third, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 on Phygital, a fan engagement mobile application that takes fandom into a new dimension. Fans can augment a Golden Glove football from the palm of their hands into their real-life environment, own a limited fragment of it to attach and internalize their hand-picked FIFA World Cup pictures and video moments. Finally, the fourth game announced its Matchday Challenge, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 edition. Matchday is a highly engaging casual social prediction game based on football cards. The combination with the World Cup is a good opportunity for blockchain to come out of the circle and benefit greatly. It not only breaks the next generation barrier, but also creates a new flow of heat. Following the collapse of FTX and Alameda research, crypto trading platforms are rushing to show that clients' assets are safe and not being used for speculation. Several exchanges, including Binance, have announced plans to use proof of reserves to reassure customers. Proof of reserve is an auditing technique used to confirm assets on hand. For example, stablecoin issuers like Paxos use it to prove they have sufficient assets backing their tokens, while exchanges like BitMEX use it to prove customer deposits correspond to assets in custody. With FTX, proof of reserve could have in theory prevented customer money from being moved to Bankman-Fried trading firms Alameda Research, where it shouldn't have been. Actually, according to a research reported by the Bank of America, proof of reserve have too many shortcomings to inspire confidence. First, assets are shown at a fixed point in time, which gives opportunities for the manipulation, such as borrowing assets right before the snapshot is taken. In addition, proof of reserve procedures often rely on third-party audit firms that can be manipulated or may even be created by trading platform itself. And even if users notice asset liability mismatches, there's no stop button. Indeed, the crypto industry needs a clear delineation between trading platforms and market makers. And most importantly, it needs regulation. Decentralized exchange trading volumes are expected to continue increasing until the confidence is restored. That's all the news that we have today for you in the crypto world. Please share your thoughts in the comment below and do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the most updated news in the crypto industry. See you in the next video. Bye bye.